Ever wondered if you could use Gemini Nano Banana for something? Let's clear up this fascinating tech puzzle. The term Gemini in the context of technology almost always refers to the powerful AI developed by Google. Think of it as a really, really smart digital assistant capable of understanding and generating text, translating languages, and a lot more. Now, nano often relates to something incredibly small, like in nanotechnology in the tech world. It can also refer to smaller, more efficient versions of software or hardware. A circumflex euros. Think of it as a compact and optimized version of something. And then there's banana, the delicious fruit. While it's a common object, it doesn't have a direct, standardized connection to AI or technology in the way the other terms do. So, when you hear Gemini Nano Banana, it's most likely a misunderstanding or a playful combination of different concepts. There isn't a single, recognized way to use them all together as one functional entity. You might encounter Gemini Nano being used to describe a specific, smaller, or on-device version of Google's Gemini AI that's designed to run efficiently on your phone, for example. Imagine Gemini AI being able to perform certain tasks right on your device without needing to constantly connect to the internet. A circumflex euros. That could be a nano application. However, the banana part doesn't fit into this technical picture. It's a separate concept. And unless someone is using it metaphorically or in a creative, non-standard way for a fictional scenario, there's no direct application where Gemini Nano works with a banana. Think of it like trying to plug a banana into a computer to make it think faster. It's fun to imagine, but in reality, they operate in different realms. So next time you hear Gemini Nano Banana, you'll know it's likely a fantastic blend of AI, compact technology, and a beloved fruit that, in the tech world, remains delightfully separate. Keep exploring the fascinating world of AI misunderstood.